those letters. Let's find out what you've got to say.
Oh boy!
Mailman, mail today. Another letter from our listeners' day.
I am earth.
I am sky.
When we kiss,
Mother Nature turns to smile.
Marketing.
Yes, my name is Gilbert Darley, G-N-A-R-L-E-Y, and I want you to know that you've got a happy consumer on the line.
Okay, who would you like to speak with, sir?
Anyone in the Consumer Affairs Department. And I want to just tell someone how much I enjoy your Kentucky jelly.
The what kind of jelly?
Your jelly.
KY
It is
jelly?
Yes, the best stuff. I like the way it comes in a tube, and it's very convenient.
Okay.
I mean, other brands like Smucker's, they come in jars. And I think if you
I think you got the wrong company.
If you do any commercials, I'd like to do a personal testimony for you. I even wrote a poem. Can I do my poem for you?
But, sir, I think you got the wrong company.
Jam is gritty. Apricots are too smelly.
Hello?
I just love my Kentucky jelly.
But we don't make that brand, sir.
Let me just say one thing, though. I'd only say one thing.
We don't make that type of jelly.
I do have one comment to make. The taste is a bit neutral. But it has nice texture, and it spreads well on toast.
Wait a minute, we don't make that type of jelly.
It said it's Kentucky jelly. It says on the tube, KY jelly.
Yeah, but that's not.
I think you should print calories and fat content. And
Can you hold on for 1 second?
Oh, certainly, yes. Now, I wish they'd put the manganese on there, too.
Hello, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
The person you need to talk to, she's not around at the moment. Can I just take a message?
Oh, certainly, yes. I'm just want to tell her I'd like to be in your next commercial.
But I think you're getting us confused.
I am. Well, you know what I need. Do you have any little recipe booklets you could send out?
Okay, hold on for 1 second. I'm going to transfer you to someone, okay?
Thank you.
How may I help you?
Yes, I can barely hear you there.
I can barely hear you. Okay, that's...
Is that better?
This is better, yes.
Oh, good. Now, I talked to that other very nice lady who switched me to you. Do you have any recipes?
Any what?
Any recipes?
No.
No, you don't have any recipes?
No, it's not meant for cooking.
Well, I don't cook it. I just like to put it on a sandwich. But I want to tell you that the serving size I have, I can go through half a tube in one sandwich. Do you have any recipes or suggested...
No, sir, it's not meant to be eaten.
Could you repeat that?
It's not meant to be eaten.
Well, pray tell, what would one do with jelly if not eat it?
The KY jelly is a personal lubricant.
A personal lubricant? Oh, you mean when you have to stick your little dinghy-waggy into that hole at the blood pressure machine at the mall. Yeah, I have to spread a little Vaseline on my little finger to get it in. Your finger's too fat. It's like I can't get my blood pressure to... I put this on my sandwich. It said, I thought, this is not Kentucky jelly.
I'm sorry, you may have the wrong number. Are you referring to KY jelly?
KY, and then it says jelly.
Personal lubricant.
Well, doesn't the KY stand for Kentucky?
No.
What does it stand for?
It doesn't stand for anything. It's just some letters that was given to it.
I've been eating a personal body lubricant?
Yes.
I guess you have. There's nothing harmful in it.
Did nothing harm? Yeah, I did notice a neutral taste.
Yeah, okay.
Had a bit of a neutral taste.
All right. Could I have your address? Because one of our medical staff may want to give you a call. Could I have
Oh,
your
that's
address?
okay. I've got my own physician I can see about this.
All right. I would suggest you do.
So you suggest I should see a physician about this?
Well, it's a safe product, but it's not meant to be eaten.
I'll see a safe physician then. It's
Okay.
not meant. Okay?
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. 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 Okay.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm lost. I think we're going to be out of it here because no one seems to know. And, hey, wait a minute. Senior Smoke is usually pretty good at this stuff. Senior Smoke, got any idea? 46 World Series. He was called the Big Cat, played for the, either the Cardinals or the Red Sox.
Harry the Cat Brickeen.
Is it Harry Brickeen?
Yes, it is.
We don't mess around. Hey, that a boy Don. Came right through there. Amazing.
Hey, the prize man!
Hello, you're on the air with Riley Gert in the U.S. Senseless Survey. This is a follow-up to our survey conducted a few years ago, and we'd like to ask you a few questions.
Yes.
Are soft drinks that you drink fizzy enough for you?
I don't drink soft drinks.
Okay, we'll put you down for does not apply. Or no, just not. I'll change that.
I drink water.
Does not drink, pause space, I drink water. Okay. Next question. Do you know your state flower?
Big fat balding guy with a stubby cigar in his mouth and his pants half zipped. And this time, I'm being honest with you.
Sports shorts.
You know what makes me sick? You know what makes me angry? I just want to trim my nose hairs with hedge clippers. Wake up, America! There was one good thing about Willie Nelson falling off that stage just then. Dude was just about taking off his underwear. I'm Earl Pitts, Native American redneck. Pay it off.